Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use keyboard input in Godot to interact with our game, using a simple and practical example. Let's start. Here I already have a Godot project set up. On the screen, you can see a label node displaying some text. The text color is being set using a script. In the script attached to this label, we're controlling what text is shown and what color it uses. Right now, the color is fixed and doesn't change. Now let's make things more interactive by using keyboard input. We'll detect when the player presses the space bar. Go to Project Settings. Click on Input Map tab. Type new action name, then click Add button. Click plus button on the right side of new action to add new input event. Here you can select keyboard event on event list below, or just simple press space bar. It will automatically generate space bar event for us. Hit OK to confirm. Now close the project settings window and go back to label script. Write new input function. In the process function, we'll check for input using input is action just pressed. When the space bar is pressed, we'll change the label's text color. Enter the action name exactly same as action name that we've just created. Now set label modulate color. You can set any color you want. Here, I've set the color to red. Now we will add same logic, but this time for release keyboard. We will set the color back to green yellow. Let's run the project. When I press the space bar, you'll notice the text color instantly change to red. When I release the space bar, the text color will revert to green. That's keyboard input working in Godot. And that's it. You've just learned how to handle keyboard input in Godot and use it to affect your game's visuals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.